used in research, in normal documentation, in the normal usage, where we find in the general usage and in the engineering lines, which is very much required. Those tools, I'll tell in the tools which is being used. So in depth, I'll not go, but I'll just give a brief outline of the advanced AI tools used in today's trend in the technology which is running in boom. So first of all, before I share the screen, I'll anyway share the screen. Yeah. So I myself, Dr. Mangala, the Associate Professor, EC Department, IHE College. So I'll just give an introduction before I start with what is AI. So AI is artificial intelligence. So it's basically it's a branch coming from computer science that is capable of demonstrating all the behaviors linked to human. So it can do anything possible. It can be replaced like a human. It can do all the intelligence of a human. I hope I'm audible to everyone.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes, ma'am, you are audible.
artificial intelligence, where the stream of in computer science will be there, because it all deals with the coding. So through this coding, how this machine which is being coded can be able to understood by all types of like we can make the human intelligence like replaced with the AI in a very much advanced way. So AI programs uses data, and it is collected from different interactions to improve the way the humans will order, they will be able to perform the task. So it can be learning, it can be planning. So it is not only used in the engineering or the technical basis, it is also used for documentation, it is used to create content writing, it is used for planning, knowledge representation, perception, problem solving. So if you just give just one small video, I'll show later how in today's like you all know this chat gpt, how we are going to use it for coding, also for content creating, documentation. One word is enough, it gives all. But there are some disadvantages, so let us not talk about that, but we are only into the knowledge of understanding what are the AI tools which is being used. So artificial intelligence, this AI is the technology which is used for many applications, web development, everything. So it is in today's examples, if I tell you your autonomous vehicles, what we have, self-driving, the video games, or the robotics field, what we come across in today's advanced, you can find this AI being used. So in the form of everything is machine coded, and you get that through the model. So it is used in a wide range of applications. So coming to the importance, as I told you, that it is like a boosting in boom, where the efficiency is also calculated, the complex problems are solved. It is used in driving business growth, in improving the decisions, cyber security. So you find in many applications. So why this is in so much in demand? Because we are humans are becoming, it's not that we are telling that humans are outdated, it is like humans need more sophistic, as they are in the sophisticated world, they want everything to manage their time. That means because of the pressure, because of the stress, they want more automatic, more compressed way of living, they want the time to be reduced. So they have intelligently, we have this type of technology where AI is being generated, AI is being introduced, and AI is also in running now. So there are some agents like AI agents, like autonomous software systems, where you get this easily available agents, or you can say tools, which work okay for making like, or it can be used, which is very much in user friendly. So in defined form, you get this AI tools. So like agents, I'm telling. So it is planned way. So these basically these AI agents which manage the workflow or make the user friendly or which is being used by the users, like assisting the users means the humans. So it is based on some algorithms. Like we already know there are different AI algorithms, machine learning algorithms. So they are made or they are defined with respect to this large language models or the LLMs. So this will be useful. Using these algorithms, they are defining the tools also based on the applications. So that is the basic importance to mainly to reduce the human's work or to solve the complex things or to get easily the work done and to get the information in a widespread way. We are having Google, we are having other forms of information like apps where you get easily, you have different online modes where you get the information, but AI is more into its own specific way of giving its own documentation or the work. Depending on the application, you get immediately the information required for that particular criteria. So it's a tool usage, the memory, the multimodal adaptability, how you get it. So they work on some mode of working style. So it is not that you just give and it works. No, it is like what you want, it will go according to some patterns. So how these AI work is, even though they are app tools like online tools, these AI are, they go with some perceptions. They take the input. That means that input can be in the form of all digitized mode. First of all, basically it's a digitized mode. So they take the input or they go in the form of voice, data, text, and some reasoning will be there. That means you need to give, how we learn this AI machine learning algorithms, you have to give some reasoning and they are based on large models. Like as I told you that they are basically they use large language models. So they use these LLMs to understand the goal and the plan the steps and decide on the actions. So because they are having this modem of working, that is the input is received, either it can be a text or a voice or a data, all digitized way. So it logically thinks whether we have to go according to the input received. It plans the steps, all within fraction it gives out. It is not that it is taking more time, seconds. It is enough to decide the reasoning, to plan the steps, decide on the actions, and exactly which tool is applicable for that input. It works on that, and the action is being executed. So the execution of the action takes place immediately using that particular tool for which the input is being received, and it gives out the evaluation or the result. So this process is repeated. So this is like introduction what I'm giving, how AI agents, depending on the input, specific input, it works according to the criteria. That is, it takes the perception of the inputs, it understands the reasoning. That means it calculates the plans, decisions, actions, and immediately it executes using that particular tool. And iteration means it gives out the evaluation. So AI agents or the tools, what we say, it is mainly in advanced level. If we go, it is used in today's. You could have seen you have Gamma AI. These are the different tools for documentation, like Microsoft Copilot, Google Gemini, PPT AI, Canva. We use it for the designing the posters, elicit scholarly. So there are many such type of uh, online tools which we use. So this Gamma AI, first one, if we go, see these advanced, first of all, advanced tools, why we need. This is mainly used for documentation. What we do in the research, it will be made easy. If we have to do a compiled PowerPoint, we use this Microsoft Copilot. If we have to go with PPT, we use this Google Gemini. We go with PPT, it will become more easy for designing and for modifying the designs. Okay, in a very easier way, we use Canva designs. For Elicit Scholarly, we use content creation. So it becomes more faster for content creation using Elicit and all. So these are some of the tools. Even you can get these advanced AI tools in the online mode also. If you give Gamma AI, you get, even I can show, but you can also do it. You can just give Gamma AI, you will get that particular tool will work based on that. So there are many such tools. These are the normal tools which we can use it for our daily purpose, and we can also use it for knowing how an AI can work. So Google AI, like you can create and edit images also with AI. Now you would have seen in today's videos and in Instagrams, in most of the online mode or apps you can see, which they use it for social media. In terms of that social media, you could have seen they just generate exactly the people who are not existing. Also, those people are coming live. How? It is because of Gamma AI. So Gamma AI is like an assistant to Google. It is like AI assistant from Google. So the creativity or the script or the videos what you get, it is so editable that you get the real person is in live. So that is mainly happening in this Google AI. So Google Gemini. So you get many such. Then in Microsoft Copilot. So it is, as I told you, it is mainly used for PowerPoint. So you can generate easily the PowerPoints in that. So PPTs also can be done. So this is about the basic AI for documentation. Then advanced AI research tools. You have this Research Rabbit, Semantic Scholar. Then you have for synthesis, that is for questionnaire, writing and editing. So you have such, which is for documentation and for reviewing, for literature analysis, for data analysis, for writing, all that you can use this. So citation management, then leveraging, that is you're using some platforms like in your semantic scholar or in your LLMs, you can use like chat gpt, then Gemini Assist. So all these are the AI research tools, which is really in very much in demand now. Now, Research Rabbit, if I say, it's like it maps the research networks and it gives an excellent for exploring the papers. So, Research Rabbit or Semantic Scholar, you get the different based on the topic. You can give the topic name and it will give the relevant papers on the this type of tool. You will get all the information related to the topic of interest and you'll get the papers exploring coming under that. So semantic scholar, you give summaries, you can easily prepare your thesis or your chapters of your phds and all your mtechs. So you can easily prepare the documentation with respect to the literature, or if you want more extra technical information on the topics of your research, so you can use your semantic scholar and you'll get the summaries and the all the citation, the graphs, all these technical information you will get, academic papers you will get in the semantic. So you also have many like synthesis and answering questions like elicit, I told you that one. So you can extract the data and answer the research questions from the literature. So writing and editing also can happen using your Scholarity. So this is like all-in-one assistant for writing and editing and checking all the academics. Okay, so how you are putting it in a formatting way, it is instead of you doing it automatically, this paper pile will do all the editing of your documentation. And Scholar C will summarize the uploaded papers. It will do that. Cite, that will mainly, it will go with the citation. It will help in giving you the citation. So like this, these are the research tools which will really help in making your work easy. So your speech or the AI chat. So you what you do your chatting, that can be easily done with your speech tools. So some of the speech tools are your chat gpt, you can talk, you can communicate, and also you can get all the required language model chat box. You can, based on your, it's like an open AI, your chat gpts. I can show the link of this and I can show a small it is not exactly working. Whatever you give, the information will be easily, you will get on this. Then your new Bing, this is the AI powered search engine, so where you will get all the information related to that particular topic. So chat gpt is very much in usage, as you all know. So you should also, what I say is there are some disadvantages. So whatever information you're getting in chat gpt can't be taken into consideration. So you should also manually, you should check the information whether it's really uh, giving the right thing, because it's like a smarter way of exploring the things, your chat gpts. So this is like a model or the instruction which is trained to follow in an appropriate way. But as we use your chat gpt daily, so you will also understand in what way you can also modify yourself, because everything what it gives, okay, it will give instantly, but it can give some extra things also which is not required for you. So what instantly you need, that means what you require only you can go with that. Like it is like a generative ai chatbot. It is okay, it is developed by openai only. It is recently, I think it got introduced in 2022. So it has different types of like LL algorithms which has been inbuilt, and it's a freely available OpenAI chat GPTs. So you get everything in information wise. If you ping that, and if you have to give any information to explore, you can definitely get that information. So this UChat, then Perplexity AI, all these are like question answers chatbot, and UChat is also helps you with the task what you need. Then some secure type of AI is the Niva AI and AI chatbot that generates the creative text. These are all like speech and the chat. It is like just information, small chats. It gives out according to your input what you're giving. So new generation AI tools. That's what the first one is chat only, which is in trend now. That is in 2025. You have this latest version of Chat GPT, which is referred to as the O1 Pro mode, which is an upgraded version of the O1 model. So this is in lead now. That is Chat GPT O1 Pro 1. So as you know, it is O1 Pro mode. So this is powered by GPT-5. That means it's a version where it's been upgraded. Your Chat GPT is been upgraded with GPT-5. That is, it's making the things more capable and faster. Chat GPT, OpenAI, it is O1. That is the version. So we are heading. This is actually, if you have to use this in OpenAI, also there is a charge of $200, I think. So it is like operators. It's very much in demand now. This is GPT 4.5, and it's also 5 is also there. It's the new version of Chat GPT. So it is O1 Pro mode. It is. So that's the thing. So this is really in a working mode, which is in live, which is really in existing now. Powerful, computable, and intensive chat gpt, which is mainly used for advanced coding research. For researchers who are doing phd, it is really good. So you can deeply get into the problems you can solve. And you can also subscribe. That is, I told you, when you subscribe you have to pay around 200 for this. Then operator is one such OpenAI which is expected to release an AI agent called Operator in 2025. So which is considered to be the latest version as a new product launch. So these are also publicly available. And you have DeepSeek. So this is released in 25 only, January 25 only it's been released. And it's been an advanced reasoning task which competes directly with OpenAI. Like it is a competitor to O1 model in performance, and it is cost effective also. Whereas this O1 Pro mode, it is 200, whereas this is openly available, and it is based on DeepSeek V3 model. See, only when we work on these AI tools, that is, if you go to google, if you give all these, if you have a directly, you can give this openai operator, deepseek and all. It's like chat gpt only, you get the information, but you get in more advanced reasoning. So it competes with your openai o1 model like chat gpt. It is a competitor. DeepSeek and ChatGPT, like they are competitors. So like that only you have Cloud 3.7 on it. It's also most intelligent model. Okay, it's in advanced. It's also competitor to ChatGPT O1 Pro mode. So you have this Cloud 3.7. It's also been introduced. All these are the present 2025 models, so which is really in robust use now. So it is next generation ai assistants. See, actually these are the most fast forward ai models, that is ai tools. like it is built for accurate and safe for getting all the information. So it plans the, it is mainly used like cloud, Google clouds also, and it can also be available in different forms, like it is, but it is better than chat gpt because it is more in speed. It gives you the advanced information, and it follows some criteria which you have to follow that. So because it's mainly on the reasoning and coding, so some instructions you have to follow, some math skills or something, and it gives out the results very easily. That's the main thing. So it is mainly on the reasoning capability, on the reasoning, and it allows the users to choose quick responses, and it goes step by step because it's more advanced compared to ChatGPT, O1 Pro, and Operator. So each one is an advanced compared to your Chat, Operator, DeepSeek. So these are the new generation AI tools in 2025. So popular benefits of AI tools. So what is that? That is the internal thing. This is the names what I told you. Now on the whole, why these are useful? So mainly as I told you, automation, efficiency. For automation, if I say automation, all your autonomous systems, whatever we are having in 2025. 2025 means it's the present. In future also your our autonomous will be, we need our office, we need a more automatic, we need more reliable, stable, and which is quick. All automatic electric EV vehicles, so many autonomous systems we are seeing, where manual is really outdated, we see only more advanced type of systems. So to improve more and more into the automatic technology, we, and in autonomous systems, we need AI tools for the efficiency and for automation. Enhanced decision making. So it has to go with the precision. So it has to go with the precise way of deciding. So that's why we need enhanced decision makers through these AI tools. So customer experience. So your company has to improve. You have to need AI advanced tools so that you get the customer satisfaction. So you get that with the customer experience. So more market, more finance, and more business with respect to AI. Improved healthcare. So you get very good health. Why? Because your healthcare system is leading with AI tool. It also uses all the advanced AI machinery, utensils, and sterilization. Everything is in AI mode. AI means it is in advanced. So you get all easily available sterilization, all the techniques which is used in diagnosis is improved, which makes less cost and less time consuming, and also it is more safer for the people. Increase cyber security. So it protects the cyber and all the unwanted, like unauthorized or the privacy or all these sectors will will be protected. And enhanced education and learning. So you get a higher education, your learning methodologies will be improved, the techniques which is being used will be more technology based, advanced based of learning will be formulated. Sustainable development. On the whole, overall growth of the society, everything will be on all sectors of the developments. We see there is a growth. So, these are the major developments. On the whole, there will be a growth in the structure of the world, where how we lead our life. So that will have a major effect on by using AI tools. So the mechanisms, we see different sections of mechanisms, because when we are talking about AI tools, see, when you give chat gpt, automatically it will create and it will start working. But what is that mechanism which is making that to work, which is making the tool to be more automatic, more faster, more reliable and precise in giving the information? That is because of this mechanism. So the collection or the database or the sensors which is being moduled inside the net, everything works on your C computer system. So it's a tool which you will work in the system inside the computer only. So it collects the database, sensors, or the internet, and it takes all the inputs. So AI tool is very, very important. And the mechanism is even more important, because without mechanism, your AI tool will not work. If nothing can be automatic, just you click or just you click a button, nothing will work. It has to go through a series of mechanism. Then only any system can work. Even if it is it takes large amounts of data, it takes the patterns and make the decisions. Immediately it will give the decision out by giving the final result or the final information. It creates its own intelligence. So it analyzes the data, it creates its own intelligence, and it works faster in speed. It analyzes the amounts of data, it learns the patterns, it makes the decisions, and gives the content immediately in seconds. So it is, even though it is a tool or it's a system, it is a non-living, but still it is working in robust with using its own intelligence. So that intelligence is basically because of its steps which AI tools are following. Whichever AI tool you take, it follows this common steps. That is the mechanism. So it takes the data collection and preparation, and it processes the data, interprets all fast it does. So if humans will do like that, definitely we can't replace. Okay, humans uh, can't come to that level because there are so many other criterias where humans will have, which they have to monitor. It will be very tough. And algorithms, it has to go through certain algorithms, it has to develop, it picks the right ML algorithm, it enables the computers to learn those algorithms or take the data, and it goes inside the program, it takes the training, algorithm selection will happen, training and learning will go on, collection, data collection, train the algorithm. Before it trains the algorithms, it will choose a specific algorithm based on the task, because identifying, before we identify the task or the problem, we can't choose the algorithm. So that AI will do. First, it collects the data, what that particular parameter is based on. For as an input, it receives, it processes, and then it understands the correct algorithm. It suits according to the algorithm. Then it identifies the problem, and then it will train according to the problem or the task. That it takes only that much of data for training based on the algorithm, and then it immediately it gives the decisions. It analyzes the data and predicts the predictions or decisions, that is decision making, and it gives the feedbacks. It happens everything quickly. So this is really very great type of mechanism which we have in today's world. So there are many such, like the technologies for which this mechanism works is like machine learning. We have many machine learning algorithms. We have like supervised learning, that is labeled data, unsupervised learning, like it is an unlabeled data, then reinforcement learning, then neural networks. We have like neural networks are like computational models which has been inspired by the human brain. It is used to process complex data and reorganize the patterns. Then deep learning we have. It is a subset of machine learning that uses neural networks with hidden layers. And we have this natural processing language, that is, it enables the machines to understand, it interprets the human language, and that is what we are seeing now, chat GPT, because it enables the humans what we need. Okay, so through the machinery, through your computer, it understands, it interprets, and gives out what is required. So it is one example is ChatGPT. Then computer vision, that is it AI systems, what we see, the images and videos, all that. Then generative AI, it's LLMs, like language models. Then we have, as I told you, AI agents, which we saw. So there are many such technologies through this mechanism will work. So example of popular AI tool, as I told you, your Chat GPT. This one example I can show just how we can start using that. Anyway, everyone would have used, so it's not necessary also, but we all are in that. But maximum manually you have to verify once, as we have lots of time to analyze the correct information. So ChatGPT works by using advanced large language models, as I told you, and which is trained on text or code, understanding the context, and it gives the responses via natural language processing. So whatever you give, it will be given in the form of PDFs, images. So and it is mainly it gives out the examples I'm telling, like content creation. You can get content creation, reports, emails, stories. If you give just one, like if you give running example, I'm telling, if you give word in chat gpt as running, it will give everything related to running. Whole history of that running word will come. So that is what. So research summarization, brainstorming. So chat gpt is in running now. So whatever word you give in chat gpt, it works according to that. And the key features, like you can also involve in file uploads, project organization. So you can give project organizing, all that. So it is tailored to many types of human understanding. So AI chatbots are like virtual assistants for voice search, face recognition. So all these AI chatbots are like, you have chatbots, virtual assistants, voice search, face. This we use, I think we use in Google's also. And some examples are like AI powered services. Okay, so they are the trends in 2025. So you have like under discovery in literature, like you use all this. I think I told you in the starting which type of tool you can use based on the literature for projects, for doing your academic papers, then for connected papers. You are mapping with one to one connection. If you have to do your research, you can use connected papers. So some emerging tools in like into 2025's OpenAI. So you have Deep Research, which is launched into 2025 only. This tool autonomously it performs multiple step internet search. This Deep Research. So it produces the particular cited reports, as I told you. So it is being used in advanced level only. Then we have Neural Lumi, an emerging all-in-one platform that generates analysis frameworks and gives all the academic papers based on this. One research single question, if you give, it will give a complete papers based on that single research question. That is Neural Lumi. So Discovery, our Discovery offers a research in shorts feature for the mobile app. So even we can develop different mobile apps using this type of application. That is our discovery. So you can introduce many types of apps based on that. So most advanced AI systems in India is OpenAI, ChatGPT. So one type, it is like a GPT, ChatGPT, OpenAI, which is released as GPT 4.0. That is Omni. O is your Omni. So this, as it is mentioned, a multimodal model that can process or text, images, audio, and video in real time you get. So this historically it got started GPT-4 in 2023. The new version of this OpenAI is in 2025. So you have like this different AI tools we see. So you can download this chat bot AI, that is your GPT-5 version also, which is powered by GPT-5 in 2025. So you get that powered chat GPT powered version of. If you just give in Google chat GPT powered by GPT-5, it will open. and definitely you can explore that. So already the previous to GPT-5 was GPT-4o, that is Omni. So that was in 2024. GPT-4 was there in 2023, and now in 2025 you have GPT-5. So this is the advanced one which is being used in the world, where you get all the smartest information in GPT-5. Okay, that remains to be a top competitor, GPT-5. IBM Watson is related to the Watson. That is, IBM introduced this type of tool. It's an advanced AI software developed by IBM, which combines the natural language processing, machine language, then AI technologies. It's like unstructured data will be there. So it is even that is being used in different applications like healthcare and finance. So it's basically for smartest AI systems in the industry side. You can use this wide variety of applications can be introduced for this industry side. This Watson. So it's Watson is one type of AI for mainly for in industry side. So it's a combination of language processing, machine learning, and different AI technologies. Google DeepMind. So this is most advanced. This also is. It's a software developed by Google DeepMind. So that was designed to play the board game. That is, it's considered to be one of the most advanced AI systems in the industry. It is also capable to learn and adapt. That means it goes deep into that particular application. So Meta LLAMA, that is Meta. I think this we would have seen in social media apps and also in WhatsApps and other social media apps, where it is more enabling the sophisticated language understanding. So what you want, if you just give Meta, you just give that word, it will give you that particular information. So it is like real world information what you get. So it is based on this large language model, this Meta AI. It's a understandable language where depending on the basic information you get that. So Crop 3, this is advanced AI model developed by XAI. It aims to deliver high performance and content generation, contextual understanding, and it gives all the machine learning techniques. It provides accurate and intelligent responses. So the estimated market shares, like we have different types of AI tool. The monthly traffic means it is like how much it is being the marketing has happened, how much gain the world has been got from the different tools. Estimated market shares, that also is there. So this is like important information. Why means because in ranking we can see the top AI tool is Canva, because Canva is a design tool, and you get main, you can design because this is what is images, posters, you get your videos, everything in Canva. So Canva is leading, Canva AI. I think we also use oftenly Canva AI. You get Canva AI video generators also. That is, you can create videos using Canva. You get your Canva AI video generators and Canva AI image generators, photo editors. So it is mainly it is a creative and code generated. It generates the codes, images, charts, tables, and all types of documentations. So everything you can do using Canva, designing, image posting, then posters. So it is mainly it is picturization based type of tool. So everything you can edit using Canva. So as I told you, an example, person who are not existing also can be made existing using this Canva, which is all, which is in top, because this is giving a realistic thing, like where nothing is there, but you are making it to happen through the design or through the editing of the image. The real person is not there also, it's okay, but it is made real using this Canva. So the effect is that. So deep learning, deep L. So this is also in robust use. And third place is taking with Chat GPT, so which is running. all the information you get. Then your Quillboard, your remove.pg, your Gemini, you have to work on all these. Anyway, the names are there. So I gave you the outline which is used for what. So Gemini, then Grammarly, Character AI, Quiz, Zappa, Microsoft Capilot, which I told you in the starting. So there are so many such you have. Then what we are expecting from the industry, that is what to expect from the industry beyond. See, we know what is happening in 2025. So what we can expect beyond 2025? We will not be outdated. We'll be now we are updated. We have to be even more updated. So it is like you are giving more ideas. You have to give more trend into the AI. So as we move through 2025 into the second half of the decade, AI is no longer just a neutral, it's now a major force for the new ideas. So we have to force new ideas. We have to see a greater focus on the development of AI powered applications. See, major applications, what we see in AI now is in industry, that is in automation, in autonomous tools, it in healthcare. As I told you, we are using more in healthcare because we are using all automatic, user friendly, cost effective, time less time consumption, and we are also using a safe products in healthcare which will make the patients more comfortable. So that is major applications we can say where AI is really going to be useful. Transactions, online transactions, everything which is made more easier through your AI powered in finance. Transportation, it is made more automatic. We are having all automatic type of transportations where humans are using less manual implementation, and they are striving and they are making their journey safe and also comfortably traveling. The transportation is very important there. So these applications definitely will enable all the business, as I told you, in the structure of the AI tool mechanism, and also the benefits what AI is going to give beyond 2025. It's going to be really vast, and we can really see more future benefits using this AI software tools beyond to 2025. That's what I have understood. So I can conclude by telling that researchers are using variety of benchmarks and all the real world stress test to get a complete picture of what exactly we can think of in the future industry. So the future of the AI software industry looks very good. So big changes, that's what I told you, it can happen in healthcare, entertainment, and also in all the computer vision technologies. So we have to go into the line of AI and work intelligently. You have to give time for that so that your works becomes more easier, and our lives also can change. So any questions? Am I audible?
Yes, yes, yes.
Veena ma'am?
Yes, madam, you are audible.
Yes. So, any questions from the audience? Any questions from the audience? So I can share the people if yes, you can ask me.
Some participant they have raised their hand like that.
Yes, yes. So I just saw a question on the generative AI. Correct. Yeah. So like this is like you're getting. It's also like you're modifying the images. Like in generative AI, you get it is like Canva only, but you're transforming the image from you're making it more replacing the elements you can do or you can modify. So you are like using Canva. You can use in generative AI. So mainly generative AI is like the training and making it more explorable. You're using AI assistant only for this also. It is like creation or action you're giving to that. So you're more clearly you're visualizing with a bigger scale or bigger efficiency by using a generative AI skill. That is, it generates more improvised types of images using generative AI. So it produces generative AI is also one more thing you can understand. You can use Canva also, but it is designed to produce more clear types of text or images, applying different techniques of ML, machine learning techniques, for a large collection of data. So, any other question?
Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, any other questions from participant end? Hello. Okay. Any questions from participants?
I just saw a question AI tool, which AI tool is used for plagiarism? I think we have many platforms. One of the famous and leading AI content or in research commonly used for plagiarism is Turnitin. Turnitin is a widely adopted one. Turnitin software. I think it's not open source. You'll have to the cost is there for that. So it is not easily available everywhere. But most of the universities and academic institutions will have this Turnitin software. So it takes wide variety of database and it is having AI tool which is inbuilt and you get very good precision. That means the efficiency of the detection will happen in a good way. Turnitin is one advanced AI tool for plagiarism. So that's it, madam. Thanks for the opportunity, madam.
Hello, ma'am. Ma'am, 1 second. I request all the participants kindly switch on your camera. We will take one group photo. I request all the participants switch on your camera. We will take one group photo. Okay, thank you. Uh, all registered participants who have attended the session, we will receive an e-certificate on participant. The certificate will be sent to your registered email address within a few days. Now, time to vote of thanks. I would like to take this opportunity to express our sincere gratitude to our esteemed speaker, Dr. Mangala Gowri, ma'am, for sharing her knowledge and experts with us today. I also thank all the participants for their active presence and engagement, which made this session meaningful and successful. Special thanks to the organizing team of International House of Education for their efforts in making this webinar possible. With this, we come to the end of today's webinar. Thank you. Thank you all for joining us. We hope this session was informative and enriching. Have a wonderful day ahead. Thank you. Looking forward in future collaboration. Have a nice evening. Good night to all. Thank you, one and all.
Okay, thank
Thank
you.
you.